Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS, and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a copycat Burger King Impossible Whopper at home. Alright, first of all, I have some Impossible meat right here. This is plant-based meat right here. I have 4 slices of cheese right here by Velveeta. I have some mayo. This is Hellmann's. Some pickles, some tomatoes, some onions, and some green leaf lettuce, and I will be having some fries. Right here I have some brioche buns. Right here, my family didn't want the sesame seeds, so I had to go with the brioche. And I have some ketchup, and I will be seasoning this with some salt and pepper, just a little bit. Alright, we'll start that now. On both sides, I'll just season on this side, and then we'll take you over there and season the rest. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and get these buns going. First, we got to grill our buns. Yep, an Impossible Whopper burger at home, no doubt about it. So this is what I'm going to do. You can use butter. It seems like it tastes better when you use mayo. So I'm just going to grab some of this mayo. Put some of this mayo on here. Lightly. Okie dokie. We're going to go ahead and start grilling this up. And I'll take you guys over that way. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam. When they get done, we'll work on our burgers. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, my buns are done. One about like that. Take the debris, just scoot it to the side. Our patties on there. Put us a little more salt and pepper on there. That. Mash this down a little bit. Let's keep taking them off. Alright guys, I'm gonna let this cook. And we'll flip it, and we'll take it back to the workstation. See you guys in a minute. Okay, let's try to flip some of these. Okay. Could put a little oil on it if you wanted to, but I'm good. Alright, see you guys at the workstation in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We'll go ahead and put these Impossible burgers together. We're going to start out with some mayo right here. Spread that about. Just like that, fam. Now with this, we're going to put our cheese on here on our burgers while it's still warm. Like so. Come in here with some pickles. McDonald's normally use 3 pickles, but you can put as many as you want on yours. Okay. Now we're going to come with some ketchup. Alright, now we want to come with some onions. Okay, we'll come with some tomatoes. You normally put 2 of them on there. Over here. And lettuce. Okay, put some lettuce on here. And you put the top on. There you go, your Impossible Burgers, all day, every day. That's how you do that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish these fries up, and I'll show you the end results. Well, that is pretty much the end results. Yep, your Impossible Burger, Whopper. See if you guys can see that. There you go. All right. All right. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam. There it is. The Whopper. The Impossible Whopper Burger, right there with fries. I'm going to go ahead and taste this for you guys. Show you how that looks up close. This thing always don't want to focus. All right. Get that bite right there. All right, I'll bite it for you. Tastes just like a Whopper. I'm not lying to you. I'm trying to keep it real with you 100%. Actually, it tastes better than the Whopper. Guys, you need to try this recipe. That's good. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Guys, if you like this video of this Copycat Burger King recipe and how to make an Impossible Whopper burger, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit this bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love.